I'm sure Joe Montana wears
He has
right?
2 of my rings.
Right. Over the middle, Flacco starts by hitting Mike Wallace, and he is tackled by Ed Reynolds, number 39, able to stave off what would have been a much longer gain. That was worth 20.
Watch the quick release here inside going against Joe Hayden. And boy, I tell you, when Mike Wallace starts.
Shelton played his college ball at Washington. Pass over the middle, and that's going to be a first down because West is able to escape, take the ball inside the 30. And Flacco, pump fake throws, touchdown! Darren Waller, the tight end, in the back of the end zone. And the Ravens take the lead.
Darren Waller, a former wide receiver, and now they've got somebody down.
Alex Lewis is the man who's down, the left guard.
There we go, just right there. But watch the move right here at the top to get inside Brian Body Calhoun. They really, that's one of the things that Harbaugh was talking about. They really think that Darren Waller could be something special for him. Pitta's coming back. You hit on it earlier, their leading receiver. But for Joe Flacco, he needs more of those big threats inside, and he is happy about that.